I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement, and I'm...
Hello, dear students. How are you today? I hope that you are enjoying your days and you are having a good time. So, let's start with our activities of this day.
The first activity is to answer pages 80 and 81 from your UNOI book. In page 80, you have to listen the track looking for damage. Then you will color and write. There is one example. In page 81, you have to write the cause and effect of a tsunami. Then you will write two suggestions, and finally you have to complete the chart, write it and stick or a line. The second activity is to go to Mayon and read the following book. The last activity is to create a video about your favorite season.
That's all for today. See you tomorrow and have a good day.
I never made it, but I know what